Let's peel garlic. Many garlic so that can store in the fridge. Hi everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. For me, what I'm going to do is I peel 2 heads of garlic and then I will grind it and put in a bottle and put some also that is ready to use for the next days. But this is so that if I'm going to cook, it's very convenient. So that every day not keep on peeling garlic. Remove the skin very well. And after this one, I'm going to grind. Use the grinder. At least half of the grinder. This is a grinder. At least half of the grinder because it's very small also. Very little amount is it will stuck at the sides. Okay, let's grind it. Grind it like okay, I think it's okay. Yes. And then use a spoon. And there's a bottle here. Put in this bottle. And then put some cooking oil. This is cooking oil. And mix together and put in the fridge. The purpose of this one is for me to just take it out for the next dish if I'm going to cook. See you next time. Thank you for watching.